Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and today for you we have something a little special. We have got a drink. This is my version of a Coca-Cola Tangarang. Now, the first thing you're going to need is a cup of vodka. Don't worry, we're not going to use the whole son of a bitch. You can measure this out to the whole bottle, but I have just decided to go with a cup, and looks like we are about perfect. Maybe we'll just drop just a touch off. And where the fuck are we? And we are jamming. Okay. Sorry for that little delay there. Alright, let's get making this drink. Now, you want to add 2 tablespoons of Tang. Make sure it all goes down in there. Now, I'm using one of the quote-unquote hairdresser bottles that I talk about a lot on my cooking show. You can pick these up at any, they're just squirt bottles or condiment bottles, whatever you want to call them. You can pick them up at any grocery store, Walmart. I mean, they're on sale at fucking Walmart for 88 cents a pop. So do yourself a favor, go grab some. Then, that cup of vodka we talked about. Now, if you do like this recipe, you can adjust it for the whole son of a bitch. And now we are going to close this up. Cap on. And you'll see why I decided to use this. This is Tang Vodka. I have no idea how long this will keep in the fridge. Okay, I'm going to say that's sufficiently mixed. So, next step, get yourself a highball glass, some ice. And I'm going to put a good old-fashioned shot of Tang Vodka into this here shot glass. In she goes. And we're going to crack open a little can of Coke. And we're going to fill about 3/4 of the way up. Maybe a little more. About 3/4. About that high. Then you want to grab some cranberry juice. And fill up the rest of the way till you're almost to the top. Almost to the tippy top. And then give this a gentle stir. We don't want to spill anything. Just mix things. No spilling. Just mixing. And then, cheers. Damn, that is good. So that's a Coca-Cola Tangarang. So next time you're looking up a drink, try this one out. God damn, that's good.